Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Morell is a small community in Kings County on the eastern side of Prince Edward Island. It is located along the Morell River about 50 kilometers east of Charlottetown. The community serves as a local service center for nearby rural areas and is surrounded by forests, farmland, rivers, and the scenic waters of St. Peter's Bay. Its location makes it an important gateway to several of the island's eastern beaches and parks. The population of Morell is approximately 300 people, while the surrounding rural area is home to many more residents. Although it is a small community, Morell provides a variety of services that support nearby villages and farms.
Thank you very much.
The population grows during the summer as visitors arrive to explore the eastern part of Prince Edward Island and enjoy the nearby coastline. The Mi'kmaq people lived throughout this region for thousands of years before European settlement, using the rivers and coastline for travel, fishing, hunting, and gathering. European settlers arrived during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, clearing land for farming and establishing mills and small businesses. The Morell River became an important transportation route and source of water power for early industries. Forestry played a significant role in Morell's early development. Timber from the surrounding forests supplied local sawmills and was used for building homes, ships, and businesses across Prince Edward Island. As the community grew, agriculture became equally important, helping establish Morell as a stable rural service center for eastern Kings County. Agriculture remains one of the area's largest industries today. Local farms produce potatoes, grain, soybeans, hay, and other crops while raising beef and dairy cattle. Prince Edward Island's rich red soil continues to support productive farmland, and many farming operations have remained in the same families for generations. Agriculture also supports trucking, equipment sales, food processing, and other related businesses. Fishing and aquaculture also contribute to the local economy. Nearby communities harvest lobster, oysters, mussels, herring, mackerel, and other seafood from surrounding waters. Shellfish farming has become increasingly important in nearby bays and estuaries, creating employment in harvesting, processing, transportation, and marine services throughout the region. Morell is also known for tourism and outdoor recreation. The nearby Confederation Trail passes through the community, attracting walkers, cyclists, and snowmobilers depending on the season. Visitors also use Morell as a base for exploring Greenwich, St. Peter's Bay, Basin Head, and several provincial parks and beaches along the northeastern coast of Prince Edward Island. Housing in Morell remains relatively affordable compared with larger Canadian cities, although prices have risen steadily in recent years. The average home generally sells for between $300,000 and $400,000 Canadian dollars, depending on the property's size, age, condition, and location. Homes with larger acreages or waterfront access typically sell for higher prices. Today, Morell continues to balance its agricultural roots with modern services, tourism, and outdoor recreation. Its location along the Morell River and access to some of Prince Edward Island's most scenic coastal landscapes make it an important destination and service center in the eastern part of the province.
Thanks for watching!